Welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making air fried spam in the Ninja Foodi. Stay tuned. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be doing spam in here. It's just going to be a really quick video. Now you either are on the line of loving spam or hating spam. I know people that hate spam and think it's disgusting, which to me, if you eat it raw like this, which it isn't really raw, but I just mean not cooked, but you can eat it like this. I don't eat it like this. I fry it up typically in a pan, and but I'm going to try the Ninja Foodi air fryer this time to make it a little easier. So as you're watching, you can see the steps I was doing. I first sliced it up with my Deli Pro knife. It's a really cool knife that you can decide the thickness. You can use it for tomatoes or meat or anything. I'll link it in the description if you're interested in it. It's a really nice, cool little knife to have. And I sliced it all up uniform slices, and so now I'm putting it in the air fryer basket. I just got my Ninja a while back, so I'm trying different things. So this is just going to be a little short video to see how it turns out. I'm sure it's going to be much easier than doing it in a pan on top of the stove. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set. See, spam is pretty good when you fry it up and make sandwiches with it. That's what I typically always do. So let's say we're going to turn on the power. We're going to choose air crisp. I'll leave it at the temperature it says, which is 390. That'll be fine. And then I'm going to set it for just only 10 minutes. Now typically you would hit start stop. Now it's going to, preheat. Usually you preheat, you wait for it to say add food, and then you add the food, but I just put the food in. And then here I'm just checking it a little ways into the cook to see if I needed to flip it for some reason. And I determined once I looked at it that it really didn't need to be flipped. It was about the same on either side, so I was just checking it. But there's really no need to flip it. I just checked those two, but they're the same, so I just left them and continued to cook it. It seemed to me that 10 minutes was exactly the right amount of time for the way I like it, which is crisp and done. See, there it is after 10 minutes, no flipping. So I was going to go ahead and take it out. And I could do 8 pieces at a time, so that's pretty good. It's a couple sandwiches worth. Like I said, people either love spam, like it, or hate it. I only eat it when I fry it up like this, and I like it on sandwiches, which I'll show you that I'm going to make. But yeah, I think it turned out really good and easy in here. And then you just have the basket and, the insides to clean, but the Ninja is so easy to clean. It's non-stick, and it just takes a little soap, a little water, and boom, it's clean. And there's the close-up of it, crispy and done. Now I'm just going to make a quick sandwich. I'll show you what I do. Not like you don't know how to make a sandwich that you like, but I'm just including it on the video to extend the time a little bit on the video. But I was happy to try it. Next thing I'll try is probably bacon. I know bacon will turn out because I always cook bacon in my old air fryer. I'm not new to air frying. I'm just new to the Ninja, particular Ninja. I've been air frying in an old air fryer prior to the Ninja for quite a few years, so I'm just going to have to rediscover all the things I did in my old one and do them in the Ninja. but I'm loving the Ninja so far. It seems like it's a very powerful, nice machine, a lot of power. So yeah. Any of you that watch my video know I have Sammy, my dog, and he's my buddy, my taste tester. And I expect to see him showing up any second here because he smelled it cooking and was kind of checking while it was cooking, so he'll be showing up in a second. I try and put him in all my videos. He's my buddy and my little baby, you know, my baby boy. It's just me and him, so. And then here's my sandwich. Doesn't it look good? There's Sammy for his sample. Do you want a bite? Do you want a bite? You want a sample? Okay. There's your sample of Spam. You know you gotta sit down. You know you gotta sit. Sit. That's a good boy. Okay, hold on. Let me put it in front of the camera so they can see what you're getting. Okay, nope, sit. All right, you ready? There you go. Good boy. Was that good? High five. Good boy. And here's some final pictures, but thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.